Yo, abisua for said the bia ye no. We aye chinchina twa TV so na obi bia ehwe min. Said the every Sunday bia no. Local food party. Ene ye Nuhuu food party. Ye ka Nuhuu a ye nuanom a omo abrochire bebre. Obi ho Nuhuu onima ne kro. Obi wa Nuhuu ohu bi da. Ebi wa Nuhuu no kra wonti bi da. Ti ene me ba ba kire mu Nuhuu ama ma hu Nuhuu ama ye nyina ya ka bom adi no nti ene Nuhuu food party ana ye eti muma yenko na yenkodi enuhuu no Nuhuu no na ekoso no Nuhuu no na ekoso no ene ye Nuhuu food party say na abisuafo Nuhuu ne tie eye menkani a yasensene ade asiso na adisi so na ebin a wode ngo afra ngo ade atieja momone afrefra aye aduane edi ehwam yie se wo ha na wo te ne pampan a ehwam se ema hofefo no nyina no o mu di Nuhuu emema hofefo no nyina edi Nuhuu yes Oboy Siki the local food coach Oboy Siki the local food coach Oboy Siki the local food coach ono na o coachi aduane no ene amatundra odi Nuhuu wase oba wiase oni Nuhuu da enso we ka odi tupe enso ene odi Nuhuu ene ekoso Nuhuu ne ekoso nana kwia aboachoa arekodo Abigail Jamfi, you are deep on Facebook. Aye day. Okay. Obi o si Nuhuu no ni bi da. Yam fan tete no. Oni ma de kro. Ai Nuhuu ye aduane bi aye local food. Aha. Official chef Fonshen. Ono so odi Nuhuu. The menkani na ye. Aha. Eti. Okay, mama yankwa na yankofa. Ye superstar ba kun afe na walande. Aye 80 afe na walande. Wa tuka free fie ba be di Nuhuu. Wasi yes. Odi Nuhuu bi ache. Adai. Odi Nuhuu bi akwara ne kwakwa di Nuhuu. Meba ne kodi Nuhuu ama obi atia meba ne na so ama Nuhuu no afa no yam. Afia kafra. Ete na aba no. Wasi ene de Nuhuu no nya eja no. Aha. Ye di ne femfam ete na eka no. Wasi ye di Nuhuu no ne. Mama 8 spoon mame. Mama 8 spoon mame. Ama It's true.
Oh, boy, I know you're the blessed.
Hey, yeah, food party coach. Food party coach. Coach Tony Abriye. Nana Kwiaboacho amesro Abigail ben apese hu no. E pa cho wana wa friend Abigail. Kai. Oh boy Sikino no. Oh boy Sikino no. The food party coach. The local food party coach. What can you be? What can you be? What in the one bako? What in the one mienu? What in the one deba? What the call answer? What the call go? Oh boy Siki. What in the one shame? What in the one shame? Oh, my say coach ho. Oh, my say coach ho. Some video I'm not continue. You.
Now what then? Imagine now
We local food a friend where the men can die. Every year. I want this one. Every Sunday
Local food. Session line sexual.
Hey, boy. Munye. Shaya, see easy, why? I see easy. Now we'll check. Hey, we hear me. And I be my camera, but I say. Na mi agasa rockstar mi chapa mi agasa mi mem no. Manager me mao. Wai mama me mao. Hey asa, usudi bi. Usudi no honi bi. So what's me cry me dibi? Why?
Inkabe. When Inkabe. But anya do. How do you what's in the science no what
Hey.
Now one I am
Obi na mafia no. Oh, chame.
okay. So what you say?
What you say?
O ma di aduane na wi ama na dan ntokwa.
And then you do Nuhuu.
Okay, Ademabla. Yo, Bishop. Say that be at the Bramono. There be a full bunch of basin, Yadimabika. Nene yakoya Nuhuu, Adepa. Ene yakoya Nuhuu. Ebianka. O ma di etwasie. Na chese Nuhuu no egenge. Na chese eneno local food party coach. Aye oboy siki. Oboy no ma din ye. Ene o ma di aduane na manasa. Ene yedi Nuhuu no. Yeah. So what you say?
Nuhuu party.
What you say?
Next week we are cancel.
Abishanfo edo bibia say my yele mo honam hwe Chinchina Twan TV. Chinchina Twan TV de bia e de nepa no mapa de ye nika de ye anigye nkwa na de bebrɛ mo. Next week munsan hwe anim ye sad bibi foforo e bebrɛ mo. Every week bia ye the local food back on e ba. Next week e betima ye e bia etew, e betima ye bia peprensa, e betima ye bia kokonte, e betima ye bia akpele. Hey, Akos, stop there, LAPDs. Aha, entino ya rekodo. Ama tundra edi wadi Nuhuu ni nyina. Wadi Nuhuu na mani yemiene ya. Hey, okwa munahwe, okwa musare mo. Ene de asamasi. Eye Nuhuu food party. Eye obofo the chairman. Obafo di Nuhuu na mo ntime nsole. Nuhuu na de dano. Miko bisa medical say na obofo Nuhuu na wo se nkwara no omada. Bofo da. Di Nuhuu na be mada. Ane dem asiatu. Na chese Nuhuu no mo pe. Na mo pe ma genge.
Obafo I
didn't know catch your fans now. Nuhuu na bobono.
It has been ages. Within a decade, almost 10 years.
Yes, I check. Matthias here. Thank you for the pressure. Never my solid. Nuhuu ni yen mo adwuma. Oboy sikin so de. What di Nuhuu na say no ho. Aye local food coach. What di aduane na say no ho. The body ni nyina say. E your bank because we burin sa. We pay hanky. Aha. Emma ho fefo nyina o ma gangi Nuhuu no. Belinda. Ohwe na anu ase oni dida. O didi abroso. Say Mabel wa gangi Nuhuu no. Sandra Sandra so gang nkoto ade Sandra. Aso ni o ti shame. Now o ti shame. Yeah. No ti shame. Gifting so. Gifting so gang ayale. Wa jayale. Kevin ake nketso de. One day I want to California. Enti wani bi da. On pay bibi sir. Ebony natural one. One day was dear feeling. Yeah, wisdom. Wisdom, you know me. I'm the food commentator. Me nipa me jeje aduane ho. Me madwane commentator. Se wo someone na wo kwako. Aha na ye coach so eh all boys ke. One day aduane ho coach. Oh coach my didi. Yeah. Jonathan, yeah, I Chicago lady on that so on was on day me there. Every Sunday be at the Bebremo. Yeah, Dini George Asibe. I'm also happy to see my brothers and sisters enjoying. Greetings from greetings from Birmingham, England. England for the local food party.
Pacho and Sebia Nakopoya Duma if you are now cheer me by England.
Say, you didn't catch from say food party. You didn't but English approach. Yeah, person
England and England.
England.
Pacho Nakopoya Duma. Food for a local food party at a Twamo. Oh, England. Oh, be real. Life. Hey, why?
I heard yeah. Yabeko.
Merano.
Yabese koye local.
Hey, obi couple of be great. Greeting from USA.
Bernard, Intiamwa, greeting from USA. We thank you. We greet you to US there. Yabeba Donald Trump with the anniversary there. Yeah, go so yabeba. Steven Aqua, greetings from Spain. Yeah, Spain. You go gang Spain. Okay. Jar Rockstone. Everybody like food, pal. I always watch it. Everybody the opediane. What did you try? Me mobile food didn't come. Mobile food never send your amount and check. Let me for mobile number AWVVRRCCCW. Jonathan was say you people shouldn't visit only England but also in Spain. Debbie. Young coin guy, cry about space. So I can. Oh, kind idea now. I want a wife among you all. Bernard. Bernard.
Please, Bernard, do you love me?
Bernard. Emmanuel, I'm also the opener. What can me didn't pay your mobile money? Aha, Emmanuel, I want from Qua and go to other for her, bush for her, same things were the opener. Aha, the opener cannot, yeah, the mobile money. Western Union crime, the Bamau, MoneyGram crime, the Bamau. Aha, maybe I'll be Stephen Aqua, trying. I like you too much. I like you too. What you say? Yes, you like you. Nanakuya, what dear wood trying? I made your man, Miana Mayer. Calvin, was it please? I love your program. Yeah. And I feel Kumasi girl. Thank you for loving Kumasi girl. Kumasi girls, we don't have size. Make Kumasi girl. If you see me at the roadside, you can call me Sister Chinchina. I will come. I should wait. Hey, Calvin, also I love Tundra. Everybody is one yabi. Bernard in Tiamwa was abandoned on so pair. Maybe. Kevin, me the Tundra be mobile money and now Western Union. They available no. Catch them in Nafa, we deal to send them in Amenfa and Shopu says here. And now Bernard. Also far we deal to send them in Namen so mean your mobile money and now Western Union says here. Na Yankwe and him. Obapa Kosia, I love you guys. Obapa, we love you too. Thank you for watching Chenchina TV. And Kevin, trying. I see trying. I love your program. I'm in Accra, East Legon, and I love Tundra. And everybody East Legon next week. Kevin, next week, me meeting Kaba East Legon at the home. Now I'm doing come over and some chef Tundra the number. So don't worry.
Don't worry,
what's it?
Like sick and
Tundra and a Tundra, the one for fighter. Hey, Kwesi, Mebo, Kwesi, Faka, and a Feka, Kwesi Feka. I love Tundra. Hey, now the Tundra a day. Kevin, I say it's not problem. Kevin, win him. Yeah, preparation my. Nasa one for 1 match. Kevin, next baby East Legon. Now you for local food party no. Emra ho one day. Na make gangi East Legon. Aha, make gangi ho.
Yeah, the squad
But you be so boy you.
George Asibe, I will join you guys anytime I come to home. Okay, George Asibe, oba here try on your name. Seven Aqua, maybe Seven Aqua. I was trying. I want one girl also choose one for me. Hey, I can't choose. Unless you choose. Okay. And yeah, Belinda, with one man, with over Shapon. With over Western Union. I'm with over 7, with over Western Union.
Sir.
Ken, the lady with white, oh. Bonnie. And yeah, as some mercy. Ha, my brother, Maminasi, ha. Sana, na munya jachire. Okay. Haruna Abdullahi. We are watching live from Germany. We are coming live to Germany next week to ganging and banging and ringing and stinging and barbaristis and all this. I say, Kevin, I have not been in Kumasi before, so because Tundra, I will come there. Kevin, you're trying. Kumasi, head there. Kumasi, head there. Dabi. The guy with the white lines. Hey, Jonathan. Jonathan say the lady with the white lines is beautiful. Power. Give to her. That's gift to her. She's so beautiful like me. Yeah, so I love natural girl. Jarrock.
I like you.
Obapa
Akosia, you always make me miss Ghana. Yes, Ghana there. I ain't Chaya Brani, I ain't ganging boom. Calvin, I was trying. I need your number. Calvin, my number is 0508 68 9161. Yeah, and I'll call you to now hear my channel, so my number also. You can call me 0508 68 9161. Yeah, it's your boy Chinchina. I'm ganging and banging and ringing and singing. Yeah. What's it? Okay. Alan Cash. Also nice one. Tundra Charlie. Make you take that girl give me. Don't worry, me didn't buy your mobile money. What's it? Watching you live from USA.
Yes.
The lady with white top, but no, not Ebony. Watch them ye. What's it? Ebony, but okay. That's it.
That's me.
Me do buy mobile money.
I'm joining you very soon.
Hey, Gifty, inbox me your contact, Francis Opon.
It's coming, okay.
Okay, Francis Opon, baby. Francis Opon, baby. Just contact me on 0508 68 9161. Me the Gifty number Ebemao because mean to me funny number and to ja.
Yeah.
It's Radaroma. Enti, o contact me and me the number Ebemao. Yeah. Bernardine Tiamwa, Ebon is very bad girl.
Yeah, bad girl. She's the baddest. Why not here? The baddest.
Where are you right now, Kevin? Yo, Kumasi inside Brahma UGC.
Yes.
We see Brahma UGC last stopper. We say, Ope, Chinchina train, Junction Swati. I say, you go crush me and see me. We ganging and banging and ringing and singing and finging and rimbering and stingerish and labalos and legilis and logolos and basalas and lobolos and sumula and lagani and laside and pepede and subude. Nuhuu ni yatwi ho di ahwa ya be point. Okay. Okay. Kevin, you will Kumasi Brahma UGC. And when the UGC last stop, what do we see? Also, Pebebia. So, what you see, baby, Sinifuano, Ewono, Yenina, boys, Kiwaha, Chef for her, standing in Hama Tundra Lake James, International 8T, Akuko GH Natural, Briwaha, Kutuaha, Osofuaha, Chamaiwaha, Obedwaha, Boboaha, Babaha, Reta, Yenyaha. We are ganging and banging and stringing and fingering and barring. Yeah, and Abisha for Yadobia say. Nana I enjoy any party, any party day. I wish I'm with you guys. Stephen Aqua, don't worry, very soon. You'll be with us. And they are doing boom. Next week by this time, yes, I did the pa, Esabe Bramo, Yadobiase, Charles Opoku Mensa. Maybe Charles Opoku Mensa. I need the number of the lady with the yellow scarf. Watching live from Toronto.
She's cute. Cute, blah.
Blah. Yeah, that's the lady. Yeah, the lady with the yellow scarf. Okay. Unim BB. Just contact me on 0508 68 9161. Now, yeah, because mean to me for a money number and Suja. I beg your pardon. So, Charles from Canada. I will see you then. Okay. Please let me see Reverend Nene. Oh, Nene. I'm sorry, Cecia. But Reverend Tupac, the Owaha. Yes, Fonchen. Owaha and hi. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Now I want to say, okay. Oh, what man? What me didn't know be? Yeah, didn't know say yeah, gangia jaw. Oh, sorry. That another no man now me do be. Next week can banter. No who there is ganging and banging and ringing and singing and finging and ragaras and barras and bombaras. Aha, we didn't know who we are now me and the other year. Or Baba and to the trap pictures. O dino hone me ya no. O se chere na watwa. Hey, obi say okay. Enti George Asibe, I'll be watching you guys next week. At that week. Thank you all, Asibe. Thank you. Enti obi bia say Obi bi ohwe bia wo say wo mre say wo time anywhere Chinchira TV na they gonna keep on watching Chinchira TV and subscribe. Thank you all. Next week by this time you go meet again. We love you all. Bye.